Hello everyone, welcome to today's English practice. In this lesson, we will learn many useful English phrases for daily life. Repeat after me and try to use them in your daily conversations. Let's get started. Morning routine. Good morning. How did you sleep? I slept really well, thank you. I'm still feeling sleepy. Let's open the window for some fresh air. Can I have a cup of tea, please? Don't forget to brush your teeth. What's for breakfast today? Could you pass me the butter? I'm getting late, hurry up. See you later, take care. Did you pack your lunch? Don't forget to drink water. At work or school? I have a lot of work today. Can we discuss this later? Could you please help me with this? Let's take a short break. I didn't understand, could you repeat that? That sounds like a great idea. I'll finish it by tomorrow. Don't worry, I'll handle it. Please send me the details. Sorry, I was a little busy. Let's work together on this project. Do you have a pen I can borrow? I need to submit my homework today. When is the meeting scheduled? Shopping outside. How much does it cost? Can you give me a discount? Do you accept cash or card? I'm just looking, thank you. Where can I find fresh fruits? Could you pack this, please? That's too expensive for me. Shopping outside. How much does it cost? Can you give me a discount? Do you accept cash or card? I'm just looking, thank you. Where can I find fresh fruits? Could you pack this, please? That's too expensive for me. Shopping outside. How much does it cost? Can you give me a discount? Do you accept cash or card? I'm just looking, thank you. Where can I find fresh fruits? Could you pack this, please? That's too expensive for me. At home. Welcome back. How was your day? Please turn on the fan. Can you lower the volume? Dinner is almost ready. Don't make a mess. Let's watch a movie tonight. I'm going to bed early. Please set the table. Can you switch off the lights? I need to clean my room. Let's have tea together. Can you help me with the dishes? Don't leave the door open. Close the windows, it's cold outside.
Friends are social. Long time no see. Let's catch up soon. I really enjoyed talking to you. Call me when you are free. Do you want to hang out tomorrow? I'll text you the details. Take care, see you soon. That was so much fun. Let's take a selfie together. I'm happy to see you. You always make me laugh. Let's meet again next week. You are a great friend. Thanks for inviting me. Travel and directions. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? How long will it take to reach? Can you show me on the map? Which way should I go? Is this seat taken? I need a taxi, please. How much is the fare? Could you drop me near the station? Is it walking distance? Thank you for your help. Where is the nearest hotel? What time does the train leave? Emergency quick situations. Please call me back. I need your help right now. Could you show me the way? Excuse me, where is the restroom? Please wait for me outside. I lost my phone. Everything will be fine, don't panic. Call the doctor immediately. Be careful, it's dangerous. Can you call the police, please? Don't worry, I'm here with you. Stay calm and breathe slowly. Health and doctor visit. I'm not feeling well. I have a headache. My stomach hurts. Do you have any medicine? I need to see a doctor. Can you recommend a clinic nearby? Please give me some water. I'm feeling much better now. I need to rest for a while. Don't forget to take your medicine. Health and doctor visit. I'm not feeling well. I have a headache. My stomach hurts. Do you have any medicine? I need to see a doctor. Can you recommend a clinic nearby? Please give me some water. I'm feeling much better now. I need to rest for a while. Don't forget to take your medicine. Restaurant and food ordering. Could we have the menu, please? Oh, what do you recommend? I would like some soup. Can I have this without spice? Please bring some water. Could you make it quick? This tastes delicious. Can we have the bill, please? Do you accept credit cards? Thank you for the service. Feelings and emotions. I'm really happy today. I'm a little tired. I'm feeling hungry. I'm thirsty. Can I have some water? I'm excited about tomorrow. I'm a bit nervous. I feel relaxed now. That makes me sad. I'm proud of you. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your kindness. I'm feeling hopeful today. I don't like this situation. Closing. These were many daily use English phrases that you can practice every day. Use them with your family, your friends, or at work. The more you practice, the more fluent you will become. Remember, small steps every day lead to big improvement. Thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.